I'm Preston Messler with MD Roofing. We're going to be doing a repair test for David Bliss, 1304 Main Street in Abbeville. That's the house. This is the wind damage shingle. It's been covered through insurance. As you can see, it's creased.
Where's the shingle again? This is it?
Right here, yep. Wind damage is creased. This shingle is damaged above it. The nail's completely out. So, I mean, there already is a little bit of damage around the shingle. We can't really avoid it. This is just one of the wind damage shingles on the roof that we're gonna be repairing. And we're gonna do an attempt to repair.
There's more shingles everywhere that are wind damage.
I got a shingle scraper right here. I'm gonna try and be as soft as I can. We'll just go ahead and start the repair. So we've got to unseal the shingle underneath. And we got to get to this nail, which looks like it's already out. Trying to be very light with the shingle, but you can see it's already starting to delaminate right here. That nail out. Most of the fasteners were already out of the shingle. For this last one, I mean, as you can see, clearly the damaged shingle is getting damaged, but that's not really a big deal.
You got a bunch of nails in there too.
Yep, and you can already see some creasing starting to happen on this shingle. And then
point it out again.
Delamination as well.
Yeah, delamination.
Crease right there.
Yeah, it is crease.
So now, like this shingle right here, perfectly sealed down, not damaged. Gonna unseal this one. It's a hot day, so it slides perfectly. And I mean, literally just trying to get to the nail. This nail just peeled right out, and I'm not even trying to, like, I mean, the shingle just peeled right up. So I mean, I can already tell that this roof isn't going to be repairable, but we're going to at least try to continue.
I'm trying to give you as much shade as possible. It's hot out here.
There we go. Finally, one nail wanted to actually come out. I mean, these shingles are so brittle that none of the nails hold. Hence why there's wind damage. Not to mention the hurricane that came through too, but Okay. Get this last stubborn nail out. That one did not want to come out. Looks like we got one more somewhere. Right there. All right, old shingles out. Let's evaluate some damage before we throw the new one in. This is a shingle underneath it. Nails out of the fastener, or the nails out of the shingle.
Talk a little bit louder.
Nails out of the shingle. So, I mean, if you look at this shingle right here, you got a crease right here. This shingle above it, which we had to get into, if you just get low down on that one, AJ, you can see it's actually stuck up and isn't coming back down along with this. This is a less than 45-degree angle. Can you show the top side of the shingle, AJ? Yeah, crease. So, and there's a crease right above it too, right here. And this shingle's not, this tab's not even off. This crease is purely from the brittleness of the shingle lifting up. If this was wind damage, this tab would be completely unsealed, and it's not. It's fully sealed. So, although there's damage, we still got a repair to do that we're attempting. So we're just going to put this shingle in right here and see what happens when we throw it back together. Something to be like expected during the repair is that there's going to be more like lifting on the shingle, putting the shingle in versus taking the shingle out. So, but we're going to try and maintain a 45-degree angle. You can see the measurements are off on this, but we're going to do.
Oh yeah, they're way off. Yeah.
I mean, although we're doing a 3-tab, you know, the architectural and 3-tab should have the same measurement, but measurements probably just continue.
More than likely.
So
it's pretty obvious there,
this
right?
back together. Getting this last nail in under here, you can see where that crease is actually just really starting to show. This one's tough to get up, but look at that. creases on all of these right here. Boom, boom, boom. Last nail. Can you show that? I mean,
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
That crease.
Yeah, just a clean frame.
No bueno. Oh. All right. So repair's done. I mean, that crease is nasty. That didn't look like that.